Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You begin by opening a new canvas sized for your final output. Pick 1920 by 1080 or another preferred ratio so compositing is clean. Once done, enable Animation Assist in Ibis Paint to expose the timeline, frame list, and onion skin controls. You should immediately set your target frame rate, 12 for a traditional sketchy feel, 24 for smoother motion, and define how many previous and next frames the onion skin shows so you can trace movement accurately as you draw. You now construct motion. Draw keyframes first to lock major poses, then create new frames to add in-betweens using Animation Assist. Use the duplicate frame command to save time when small changes are needed and adjust each frame's delay to control timing. Make sure you put separate elements on separate layers, body, facial features, props, so you can tweak parts independently. Once done, show or hide layer groups while scrubbing the timeline to verify that motion reads smoothly across frames and stays consistent. Finalize by reviewing playback at your chosen FPS, then export through Share as GIF for simple loops or MP4 for higher quality video. Select loop and quality options before saving. Once exported, make sure total timing feels right and compress if the file exceeds limits. If you run into issues like flicker or jitter, check that onion skin was used consistently, layers are aligned each frame, and frame delays are uniform. Fixing those three things usually resolves timing and continuity problems quickly.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.